In this lesson, we'll learn about how to reference worksheets in the workbook you have currently open, as well as other workbooks that you may not currently be using. The purpose of learning how to use this is reducing the amount of manual work that it takes to find the file, open it, and manually locate and use the data that you're using in the sheet. Learning how to manipulate these sheets will give you the ability to automate tasks and take out this tedious work from your workflow. First off, we must learn how to properly reference the sheets within our current workbook. In order to do this, we use the following format. The workbook drilled down into the sheet within the sheet name, followed by the range with the actual range we are looking for. The only new facet we are learning about here is this workbook property. We use this when we are currently active within the workbook that we are looking to use. Most likely you have a cell selected somewhere in the workbook and you are currently working with it, the workbook that the macro is being created in. With this being defined, VBA can easily identify the sheet you are looking for and the associated range. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.